beauties, welcome back. If you are new, my name is Danita B. Today in this video, I'll be using some more butterfly locks from NISEYO hair. These are their 24-inch butterfly locks in the color 1B. They do retail for $62.99. If you want to save some money, you can use coupon code DanitaB on NISEYO's official website. But if you don't, you can order them from Amazon as well. I will link both links down below as well as the coupon code. And they came in this pack right here. Let's count how many in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you get 12 locks in each bundle of hair. And they also include the crochet latch hook. They also include a lock needle. If you want to make the loop longer, all you do is pull down on the lock to make it wider. Then you just open it up like that. So I went on ahead and did the back off camera. I tried to get a good shot for you all in the back, but it wasn't working out for me. So I'm just going to show you what I did in the back. I'm going to show you that in the front. With this braid method, I wouldn't recommend using this braid method with these butterfly locks because these butterfly locks are skinnier than the previous butterfly locks I did in my previous butterfly lock videos, and you're gonna have a hard time feeding your hair into the butterfly lock. Thanks for watching. Always remember, you are wonderful, you are amazing, and you are beautiful. Until next time, peace, love, and unity.